Come test drive the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, center armrest, compass, trip computer, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.